here to tell about the institute, that is JSpiders, which helped me to get this job. And I'm very happy that I'm a non-IT guy, so it's a very good place for the non-IT students to get a job in a very good company. And I'm a mechanical student, and it's very hard for a mechanical student to shift from mechanical to software side. But this institute, the training and the guidance given by the institute is very nice, and we can get a job very simply and easily, so that our future will be good in that company.